Welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to explain a core concept in on-page SEO, that is keyword density. You have probably heard that using the right keyword is important, but how often should you use them? That's where keyword density comes in. Let's break it down. Keyword density refers to the percentage of times a specific keywords appear in your content compared to the total number of words. It helps search engine understand the topic of your page, but it must be used strategically. Calculating keyword density is simple. Just divide the number of times your keyword appears by the total number of words, then multiply by 100. Now the big question, what is the ideal keyword density? Most SEO experts recommend keeping it between 1 to 2%, enough to signal relevance, but not so much that it feels spammy. Keyword density plays a key role in helping Google understand what your page is about, but it also affects user experience. Overusing keywords can lead to keyword stuffing, which can hurt your rankings. Keyword stuffing is when you overuse the target keyword unnaturally just to rank. This not only hurts your readability, but also violates Google's guideline, which may result in lower rankings or even penalties. Instead of stuffing, aim for semantic SEO. That means using your main keyword naturally and supporting it with synonyms, variations, and related terms to keep the content rich and engaging. To check keyword density, use SEO tools that scan your content and provide a breakdown of your keyword uses. These tools can help you optimize without overdoing it. Let's say you wrote a 1000-word blog on digital marketing. To keep your keyword density around 1.5%, the term digital marketing should appear around 10 to 15 times, spaced out naturally in the content. To summarize the keyword density, tell search engine what your content is about, but it should always be balanced. Write for your readers first, optimize naturally, and monitor your keyword uses using SEO tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out our full course to master SEO. For any questions, drop a comment below.